Our local coverage continues tonight with Fox 23's Brooklyn DeGumbia. She's live after talking to a local couple who say they have an idea to help healthcare workers desperately in need of masks.
Yeah, they're making 3D protective face shields. Now, officials say that they do encourage you to wear a face mask and goggles underneath that shield, but the shield is better than nothing. They start by cutting the plastic, then shaping it, adding foam to the headband, and lastly putting the elastic on to fit around someone's head. A process that only takes this couple about 6 minutes to complete.
I'm a stay-at-home mom, and he actually, before he got laid off, he worked from home too, so we're literally just here 24/7. And so I was up till like 8 o'clock this morning assembling and doing things.
Josh and Sherilyn Painter already had these 3D printers laying around their house. Now they're using them to help as many healthcare workers as possible.
Every news report we saw, every article we read said that everybody was running out of these things and there was no protective equipment for the people who are literally putting their lives on the line.
It's a sad reality in America right now, and the CDC is encouraging healthcare workers to use these homemade methods until more masks come in. But the painters want to save them time. They've already made over 100 face shields and handed them out to several local doctors and nurses.
This lady that we just met, she looked like she was going to cry. She was so thankful. She was handing us money, and we were like, no, please, we just want everybody to just be able to have them. Just please protect yourself.
Officials say the coronavirus lives on plastic for 3 days, so this couple puts them aside for 3 days after they make them before they hand them out to anyone. Live covering news that matters, I'm Brooklyn DeGumbia, Fox 23 News.